I'm going to make a pair of earrings, a quick little set that you can make. And I'm going to use these. I got in an assortment of different miscellaneous beads. And then I got these, and it was on a whole strand, but it had a lot of different colors. So, and we're going to use these are ball type head pins. They've got the little ball on the end of them. I used to make these myself with silver wire, but silver wire is too expensive to use right now. So, well, sterling anyway. You just melt it with a torch, but I don't think that you can do it with this kind of metal. Because this is like gold filled, probably steel, I don't know. I might put a little bead cap on there just to give it a little accent. I don't have any bigger gold ones. And I thought the gold would look better on this, and I've got some long gold head pins, but I don't have short ones, and earlier I could have used some short ones. But I'm going to make this look like a fire colors or fall, whichever you want. Because it's that time of year, it's fall. So we'll do another one. Put that one on. That. Those little bead caps will stick to your fingers if you get them on there just right. Well, I think I dropped it. Is it off? Right there. And then we'll do a red one. Or orange. What I need is a fall leaf to put on the bottom that's colorful. That'd be about too long then. But this is what we're going to do. Now, you take your round nose and we're going to see if these are wrapped good, because I've never used them before. I just had them, and so, at least I have everything on there now. Get it caught. Take it around. And grab it. I watched a video of a older man frying a turkey. And I'm like, oh boy, I don't know how he held it up in the air and just slowly lowered it in. And I'm like, golly, I don't know. I'd be afraid. I'm sure that they taste really good. I've never had fried turkey before. Somehow I gotta get that to come up a little bit. Well, y'all, for something I thought that was gonna be quick, threw me a curveball. There. I don't know what in the world was wrong, but boy, it did not want to cooperate. Don't ever say you're doing anything fast, because it don't work out fast. You don't have to wrap it down like this. You could either clip it and have a little bit more than half of an inch and just roll it. Or you can bring it, if your metal's really stiff, you can just roll it like that and have that right at the top of your bead. But this is flimsy till you get to the end of it, and then it did not want to. And I figured first time somebody got their hair caught in it, that it would pull the earring apart. I don't like losing earrings, and I know nobody else does. I lost one time, and I don't know how I found it. It was a little stud earring, and I found it in the bathtub. I don't know how it did not go down that drain. It was just, I don't know. I guess I was meant to have that earring, because it very well could have went down that drain. I think I'm cutting that. Just make sure you cut just, the only thing you want to cut is the one that you want to cut. The other day I cut clear through everything. Well, my tips are not. I have to buy me a new pair of cutters. I was hoping I got it loose enough to. Need to buy me some new cutters. There. Now let's get that little end. Because I guess I use the tips the most, and I don't think there's a way to sharpen them. That's a good little pair. Had them for a long time. supposed to make anything today because I'm dropping everything. Well, there we go. Just make sure you get them closed really good so it don't come off. Let's see what that look like. I like those. And red's not my color. I like those. Yeah, my color's blue. My mother had a picture of her whenever she was, probably, it was probably whenever I was 10, she had that picture made. And that picture, no matter where you were in the room, it would follow you. I don't know how they did that, but her eyes would follow you no matter where you were. Oh, alright. Y'all, thanks for watching. And I really appreciate you sticking it out to the end, even with me messing up all the way through this one. And thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one. And hopefully I won't have so much trouble. I might not ever try to roll those around that again. But thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.